Hi, and welcome to my tour of the Hyatt Regency Mission Bay Spa and Marina in San Diego, California. We stayed just one night in this hotel located on the Marina, an excellent choice if you're looking for water activities. It's also a short drive to SeaWorld. The hotel consists of two primary wings, the tower, which has 17 floors, and the Marina Suites, which only has 2 stories. As a Category 4 hotel point redemption, I believe it is appropriately rated at that level. It's a decent choice for those looking to use their Category 1 to 4 free night certificates. I do like the overall beachside decor of the hotel. With the doors open in the lobby, we could really feel the breeze come in. This location promotes walking because it feels so nice to be outside. There are on-site games and activities, but I would much rather walk along the beautiful marina. We were upgraded to a Marina suite with 2 queen beds. At 600 square feet, we had plenty of space to stretch out. However, the furniture was scuffed up, the sofa was a bit tired looking, and the bathroom was a bit dated. The room itself was clean. The 2 queen beds were comfortable, and the room continued with the overall beachside decor. As you can see, there's plenty of room, and we appreciate that since we are a family of 4. One highlight is the view of the marina, and we could hear seals from a distance. However, if you're sensitive to light when sleeping, it may be an issue since there are no blackout curtains. One of the reasons we chose this hotel was for the children to enjoy the pools and water slides. They're maintained nicely with plenty of seating. Unfortunately, it was unusually windy and cold during our stay, so the conditions were not ideal. Even so, the kids enjoyed the pool, so perhaps we'll give them another shot when the weather warms. Complimentary sunscreen was a nice touch. There is a spa on site, but I did not visit. However, I did go to the fitness center, which is located in a small separate building next to the Marina Suites. In the afternoon, it was rather warm, but the facility is clean with a good range of exercise equipment. And yes, 1 Peloton bike for us Peloton fanatics. As Hyatt Globalists, we were offered complimentary breakfast at the Red Marlin restaurant. It has very pleasant views of the marina, but I found the food to be average at best. The staff, on the other hand, were extremely friendly and personable. Overnight parking starts at $50, which seems to be the norm nowadays. Overall, a pleasant stay. It is far from a seaside luxury resort experience, but the staff and views are wonderful. Worth checking out should you be in the area, but hopefully on a warmer day. Thanks for watching.